Hi guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about basics of C language. So let's get started. So first of all, C language for first, as you know, C is a programming language and this is a very basic language to start with the programming and IT career. So first of all, we will make a program to show a very simple output. So with the start of C language, so first of all we have to include some files, uh, some library files. So first is stdio.h. That means this is standard input output library, and with this library we are able to show the output and take the we are able to take input from keyboards. Second is include conio.h. This is uh, conio.h library files will able to show output screen. After that we need a main function. So with the main function, uh, in C language, the every function we have to define here the type of function. So some people use void. That means it function will return nothing. So here we will use integer main function. That means it will return integer value. So now we have to use printf function and pass anything here, like hello. So this is the C program. So printf function will able to show the output. So for show the output we have to save it, and now we can run it, execute, and yes, the hello world. This is the output, and this is the some other text that will show you the time and uh, returning the value. So this is returning 0 and the output is hello world. So this is a very basic program. Now we are going to learn about variables in C++. So I'm going to remove it now. And in C language we have a many types of variable like integer, float, char, string, double, extra. So now we will use here integer function. So let I'm going to define a integer variable a, and I want to put here 10 in the variable a. So now we want to show the output of variable a. So for that we have to use ampersand d. d D sign is used for show the output in a integer format. So comma, and now we can put here a. So what should the output will come? The output should become 10 because we have 10 value in a variable. So let's execute it once again. So sorry, actually this is not ampersand. We have to use this percentage sign and run it again. This is a 10. The output is shown here. If I'm going to put here 20, compile and run it again. The output should be 20 and this is 20. So now that I want to show here uh, a character variable. So let char a is already defined. I want to show here character c, and c have store value z. So if I want to show the z, okay, we will delete this the previous values. So I can write here c, and this is a string, this is a character format, so I have to write here c. Let's run it once again. So this is we have an integer format, so we are not able to do that. So I can here write a character and try to run it. So main function is able to return a. So I want to put here single semicolon. Let's try it again. Yes, we are able to show the output now. So this is the output of character variable in a character format. So now we are going to show and learn about string in C. So for if you want to show the string, or you want to use a string in C languages, then you have to use an array of characters. So there is no basically string data type, there is a character data type with the array. So here I can write here hello world. Now I can print it with %s, and right here a. So let's run it. Yes, hello world, this is the output. If I'm not taking here an array, then it will give an error. You can see that the invalid conversion from constant character to characters. So fine guys, so after that we will go to learn uh, constants in C language. So what is the constant? Basically constants are uh, a type of literals in C language that value cannot be changed. After that they define once, we are not able to change the value of constant. The difference between constant and a variable is that a variable are in a variable we can change a value in anywhere, but in a constant we are not able to change the value. So for define a constant we have to use keyword define and value a 10. This is the uh, a a constant, and the value of this is 10, and this is a define keyword used for define a constant. Let printf, I want to print it, then let's run it. So there is an error, so we are never use semicolon behind the constant after defining it. So this is the 10 the output, and there is a one more way to define an constant. This is the constant keyword, and use integer b equal to 20. So put here b and execute it. So this is the 20. So there is a two-way to define a constant. One is define keyword and second is const keyword. So fine guys, after that we will go to learn the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and basically we can say that we are going to learn about operators in a C language. So for that we will use some basic integers like integer a, integer b, and we can define them b and c. So let first of all we are going to show the addition program. So let a have 10 value and b have 5. So I want to add the both values, so I can use c equal to a plus b and just print the value, print the variable c. See the output here. Okay, so I think there is an error. Error is this is a print, not printf. So let's run it again. The addition is 15. So if I want to show some text there, addition of a and b is, and now see the output. Okay, so 15 is the addition of a and b, and if you want to show the 15 here after the colon, then we have to use %d here, and let's check again the output. So now the output is much better. So I want to show the subtraction. So let's just put here subtraction if you want to write, and I think this is a little bit confusing for you, so you can delete this and just put a minus sign here and see the output. Output is 5 because when we delete 5 from 10, the output is 5. Okay, so now I want to multiply them and write the star sign, execute it. Okay, output is 15. So if you want to divide them, write this sign, see the output. Okay, so output is 2. If you want to see the remainder, or we can see the modulus, then write ampersand sign and just check it out. This is 0. Okay guys, fine. So these are the operators. Now we are going to learn about if conditions in C language. So if condition are, this is the conditions are very simple and very easy to learn. In here we have a three conditions. One is if, another is if else, and another is third one is only else. So we will use the three condition here. So first of all we are going to learn if condition. If condition, we have to something find like if uh, time is uh, 9 p.m. then uh, the dark is outside. So one condition is depend on the another situation. So the if conditions are also same kind of conditions. So like if a equal to 10, then printf. Yes, you are right. So just run it, see the output. Yes, you are right, because a is equal to 10. But for as a comparison, we have to write here double equal to. If I want to write here 11, then the output is nothing, because the condition is not going to match. The output is nothing. So in this case, we have to use else part. Copy it and paste it from. So let's run it again. You can see that yes, you are wrong. And right here, no, much better output. No, you are wrong, because a is not equal to 11. This is equal to 10. So if I'm going to write here 10 again, then it will show the first output. Okay, so let if we have a one more condition. We can write here else if. So if a equal to 20, then just write then yes, a is equal to 20. So write compile and run it again. So this is the first output. Let I'm going to write here 20, and let's see the output now. Now this condition will be true, because a is equal to 20. So the output is yes, a is equal to 20. Run it again. Yes, a is equal to 20. So this is the output. Array in C language. So for array, we have to define the array data type, and let I have a array. The value is 10. So if you don't know the array, I want to tell first of all what is array. The array is a similar kind of a collection of similar kind data type. So if you don't have a similar kind of data type, then you cannot store in a single array, then you should have to use a different array. But if the all variable are integer, and if all variable are string or characters, then you can use a single type of array or single array. So let I have a 10 values. One is 3, next is 50. So I don't need to put yes double quotes here. So 30 and 50, 34, 99, 0, 8, 36. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write here less than 10 or equal to 10. So 8s are enough for now. So if you want to show the output, then one more thing guys, you have to remember that the array is always start from 0 position, not from 1. So if I want to print here second value, then I have to write a1 and run it. See the output colon at the last of array declaration. So let's put and compile it, run it again. The value is 50, because the value second value is 50. So if you want to show the first element, then you have to write here 0. So this is the first value, and if you want to show the fourth and fifth as you want, then just write here and compile it, run. This is 0 because fifth value is 0 is here. So if you want to show the whole values, then we have to use a for loop. So what is for loop? First of all, then we need to know about what is for loop. So for understand about for loop, the loop is a sequence of output that will show up to a certain distance. Like if we want to show the 0 to 10, then when we will use a loop, this will increase a value one by one, 0 to 10. So let's see how we can use the loop. Then need I that start with 0. Then you can write here I. This is a starting point. Then the second parameter is about uh, the value, the loop end value. So what is the loop end value? Is I less than 10. So it will be run up 0 up to 9. Then third parameter about increment. So if I will write plus plus, then every time it will incremented by 1. So now I will write print percent %d I. Then every time it will show you the output. Then let's see, yes, it will show you 0 to 9. Fine guys. So if you want to show the array, the whole value of array, then we have to use here a and put here I, because I will show you 0 to 10, so it will repeat all the values. And let's see the output. Okay, so it will give the all values. You can match from here 3, then 50, then 30, then 3, then 40, 35, and the last value is 59. After the 59 it will show you 0 0, because we have only 8 values in this array, and the loop up to go up to 10. So if I will write here 8, then the last two value will be automatically removed. Okay, these are removed. Okay guys, fine. So this is the array in C language. Okay, thanks for watching this video.